Hello, pre-calculus students and seekers of general truths. We continue our study of sinusoidal functions and just in general trigonometric functions by looking at a slightly different example now that deals with circular and linear motion. And this is a fact of physics more than so anything else. When a circular object rotates and moves or rolls 1 revolutions, it travels the distance that's equal to its circumference. So it's like, let's say that you have a wheel, and then this wheel here, if you go all the way around it, it has a circumference of say 5 feet. Then when that wheel rolls and spin, like let's say I have like a dot right here, this point here, once this dot goes around the circle one time, then the wheel has moved forward some amount of time, right? So let's say it made 1 full revolution, and this distance that it's traveling will be exactly equal to the circumference of this circle. Okay? And that's important to know because that helps us to solve the rest of these types of problems with circular and linear motion. So let's look at this example here. A truck has wheels of 36 inches in diameter. If the wheels are rotating at 630 RPMs or revolutions per minute, find the truck speed in miles per hour. So this is a problem that involves just lots of unit analysis, right? So we're going to start out with this number here because this is the known information, right? So we have 630 revolutions per minute, per 1 minute. And we want to do a lot of unit analysis so that we end up with miles per hour, somehow. Okay, so let's walk through this a little bit at a time. So the first thing I'm going to do is take care of my time here. For every 1 minute, for every hour, there's a 60-minute conversion rate, 60 minutes for 1 hour. Right, so that's going to get the minutes to cancel out. And then for 630 revolutions, so this is where the linear motion comes in. 1 revolution will be the circumference of the wheel. Now, the radius of the wheel, or the diameter of the wheel rather, is 36 inches. So remember that the circumference is 2 pi r, or pi times the diameter. So in 1 revolution, this wheel is going to travel 36 pi inches. Okay? Because remember, circumference here, circumference is equal to 2 pi r, or you can say that the circumference is equal to the diameter times pi. So now that we've done that, we've taken care of revolutions. So now I have inches per hour, and I just have to do one more thing, which is converting inches into miles, and this takes a little bit more work here. So let's see. So we're multiplying. Let's go from inches to feet. So 1 foot will require 12 inches, and then so this will take care of the inches. And then let's go from feet to miles. So 1 mile is 5,280 feet. So now the feet cancel. And so if you check your units, we have everything cancel except miles in the numerator and then hours in the denominator. So let's just put all of this into a calculator and figure it out. So when I did that, I got that my final answer was 67.473 miles per hour.